What is unique about our showroom is we have a fantastic outdoor area which shows off our outdoor porcelain tiles. We have lots of large displays inside. We've got a great range of tiles for all budgets, and we have a great range of grouts. What customers really love about coming here is the friendly, helpful staff. We will go round the showroom and assist finding samples or recommending different tiles that go with others. We've got lots of experience between us. If you don't live nearby, you can go onto our website and find the brochure. You can get the samples delivered direct to your house so you can see and feel the tiles at home and see what they look like in your bathroom or kitchen. Our Google review score is 4.7 out of 5. We're very proud of that score because it just shows that customers love coming here, feeling all the tiles and imagining what they're going to look like in their dream home. Our customers can find us on Hollybush Lane, just off the A331 in Hampshire.